Hey folks, stay tuned. I'm going to do a product review on another product. This is the Smartro projection alarm clock with a weather station. Yeah, it projects. Stay tuned. We'll both check it out for the first time. Hey, welcome back to Pine Meadows Hobby Farm. I'm your host, Jerry Hansen. From time to time, I get a company that, sends me a product to trial here on the Homestead. And this one, I thought, it was cool. I mean, it's an American company, but the product is made in China. And it's the Smartro projection alarm clock with a weather station. It projects onto the ceiling or the wall. And you have an outdoor sensor so you can tell what the temperature is outdoors and keep monitor to see what your day is going to be like, so you kind of figure out how you're going to dress for that day. So let's go open up this box, get it set up. Yeah, let's do this. So let's set this out on the back deck, since I like to sit out there with my favorite beverage and just look out over my domain. Yeah, it'd be interesting to see what the weather is just on the deck. Let's go put it up. Let's put it over here. I just noticed something else that's kind of neat about this little product is it has an LED temperature readout out here. So if I want to see how hot it's getting out here, I can just turn and look at it right there. And it looks like it has a humidity. It says 44% on that. Yeah, and we have lightning storms expected. So let's go in and get the other unit set up, and we'll see what it tells us about the weather. Okay, I want to set this up in the bedroom. We'll go ahead and put the alarm clock, replace it with this one. So, I have not seen the clock yet. We've got a little booklet that tells us how to program it, set the alarms. Comes with a little transformer plug. We'll get power to the unit. Can you imagine somebody in the factory and that's all they do was sit there and twist these little ties on there? Their hands are going to be so sore after a while. So plug it in. Okay. Let's get rid of this clock. And here is the clock unit. Let's see. We'll close that. Set it aside. Remove the plastic cover and look for the settings on it. Okay, it has a little battery pack back here, and it's got a little tag. So we're going to go ahead and pull that tag to activate the battery. There we go. Now it's activated. It saves the memory, so when the power goes out, you have memory. So this alarm, it has switches back here, projection off and on, alarm off and on. Oh, you got alarm 1 and alarm 2. Let's just turn the alarms off right now. And then here is your buttons. Channel selection up here, your set of the brightness of the screen, your alarm, snooze, channel selector, and Fahrenheit versus Celsius. And I don't know what this does. And here's your projector. That's it. That's the little projector, and you can point it any way you want. So let's get this set up. Where is the power? Ah, power's right here. Okay, power. Oh, that's cool. Look at that LED screen. Forecast, outdoor remote. It's trying to transmit right now. Indoor temperature 75 degrees. Oh, there's the outdoor temperature, 89.9, almost 90 degrees. Let's turn the projector on. Wait, let's set the clock. Okay, set. Oh, you hit the snooze to activate that. 12:02. Let's set the time on this. Okay, for setting the time, I managed to get it set, and using the various buttons and reading the instructions when you guys pull this out. Go through the instruction booklet. It's pretty easy to set. I figured it out really quickly. But for some reason, this outdoor remote, it keeps changing channels automatically. I wish I could just set it to one channel and leave it there, but it's cycling. I don't know why. I'm going to try to make it stop cycling. Turn it off. Anyway, got a neat little display, and let me show you what the projection looks like. So that's it on this little Smartro projection alarm clock with a weather station in it. I like the weather station feature. You can look at it and it'll tell you what the mold index is, the outside temperature, the inside temperature, humidity. There's all kinds of little features on that little weather station you can check out. And yeah, it's really cool. I like it. I'm going to go ahead and leave a link down below, and then I'll display a link right here, so those of you who can't click the link down below, you can at least see it here and then type it into your search and be able to go find this clock. Yeah, I like it. I'm happy with it. Good on you for the company at Smartro for providing this little product. I enjoyed reviewing it. I give it a thumbs up. Now you guys were able to take a peek inside of a room you've never seen before. Yeah, the boudoir, where magic happens. So that's it on this product. Check it out for yourselves. Yeah. I'm your host, Jerry Hansen. This is Pine Meadows Hobby Farm with another product endorsement, or I'm not getting paid for this. They just supplied me with the product and do a trial on it. I like it. I really do. So please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and also click on that bell icon, and that'll let you to new videos as I upload them. Hey, please be safe and remember to be kind. Get this. We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.